Hello and welcome back. We have this nice looking equation on the board. 4 raised to the power of x plus 16 equals, now this thing that you're seeing is read as x tetrate 2, or you say x to the tower power of 2, because this is just like a tower. X to the tower power of 2. So it's x tetrate 2, x to the tower power of 2. So this thing here can also be written as x to power x. Because the x, we have 2x here, so we interpret this like this. But if we have this, we change it back like this. All right, let's continue. So from here, we know that we're asked to find the value of x. So how do we find the value of x? We know that if we have, from this equation, 4x plus 16 equals x tetrate 2. Now we know that if we have something like this, if we have a to power m plus n, this equals a to power m times a to power n. All right, let's use that this here. So clearly we can see that here is 4 to power 16 times 4 to power x times 4 to power 16 equals x to power x. Because say that this equals x to power x. All right, let's continue. So clearly we can divide both sides by 4 here. Divide through by 4. If we divide through by 4 raised to the power of x, if we divide through here by 4 raised to the power of x, what we're having 4 to power x times 4 raised to the power of 16 divided by 4 to power x, x to power x divided by 4 to power x. So clearly 4 to power x will cancel 4 to power x here. 4 to power x will cancel 4 to power x here, and we'll be having 4 to power 16 equals x to power x all over 4 to power x. All right, let's continue. Now remember this law of indices that say if we have a to power k all over b to power k, this equals a over b all to power k. So that is the rule we use there now. So from here, this becomes 4 to power 16 equals x over 4 to power x. Take them as 1 from this law. All right, so we'll raise both sides now by 1 over 4. Make sure that the power here and this one, they are the same. And this one here, they are what? They are the same. So we'll raise both sides by 1 over 4. All right, so let's go. So from here, we have 4 raised to power 16 multiplied by 1 over 4 equals, here now, x over 4 raised to the power of x multiply by 1 over 4. Remember, I said that we are raising both sides by 1 over 4. All right, let's proceed. Let's continue. So if from here now, what are we having? We know that 4 here can cancel itself. 4 here can go here. This also. So we have 4 to power 4 equals x all over 4. X times 1 is x. X over 4. So clearly, what can we see? That this is equal to this and this is also equal to that. So this becomes 4 equals x over 4. So if we cross multiply both sides, we find out that 4 times 4 gives us 16. So x equals 16. And this is the right answer. And to that, we come to the end of this tutorial. If you love such content, do well to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share these videos. Thanks for watching. There are more videos for you to watch.